Hey everyone, and welcome. So glad to have the Apertum community here with us. Let's just jump right into this explainer, because today we're unpacking something that is absolutely vital to your growth, your impact, and honestly, your future. We're looking at the core concepts behind LEAD72.pro and exactly how you can elevate your online leadership presence. Look, if you've been grinding out there building your community, you already know that leadership isn't just about what you say on a Zoom call or when you meet someone face-to-face. It's about how you present yourself to the world 24/7. So we're going to break down the actual mechanics of building digital trust, why it's more important right now than literally ever before, and how this specific platform is engineered to help you secure that trust before you even say hello.
I want you to sit with this question for just a second. Really think about it. Does your online presence actually reflect your true professionalism? Over the past few months, we've seen so many of you pouring your time and energy into educating, supporting, and guiding your communities. And that dedication? It's genuinely one of Apertum's greatest strengths. But here's the thing, and we got to be honest about this disconnect. The strongest leaders don't just teach, right? They set the standard. Think about the incredible long-term vision and the deep credibility you bring to your real-world interactions every single day. Now ask yourself, does your digital storefront actually match that exact same level of excellence? For a lot of highly capable leaders out there, the hard truth is that their online presence often falls completely short of their actual professional caliber.
Because here is the golden rule of the modern game. People research you long before reaching out. Think about your own habits. When someone discovers you on Facebook or Instagram, they almost never jump straight into your direct messages to initiate contact. That's just not how it works anymore. They pause, they snoop, they scroll way back to see if you're a credible authority or if you're just posting blurry pictures of your breakfast from 3 weeks ago. This silent research phase, it is happening around the clock. Your prospects are making split-second decisions about your credibility based entirely on what they find the second they click your profile.
So your prospects usually face one of two paths when they go digging. On one side, and this is the current reality for most folks, you leave them to sift through a tornado of scattered social media posts. You know the drill, a random meme over here, a vague update there, maybe a heavily filtered photo. It lacks focus, and frankly, it doesn't tell a cohesive story. But then, on the other side, you've got the gold standard, a clear, highly professional story and image. When a prospect finds that instead, they aren't confused. They find an easy, streamlined way to actually contact you, and they immediately understand your value. Making that one shift completely transforms your digital footprint. It takes it from a leaky bucket where you're losing leads and turns it into a massively powerful conversion tool.
It really all boils down to one super simple philosophy. Trust starts before the first conversation. This is the entire foundation of what we're breaking down today. Now, for those of you who are actively out there growing your teams, this is a total non-negotiable reality. But hey, even if you're a leader focused entirely on education, it is just as critical for you. You literally cannot wait until you're on a Zoom call or sitting across from someone at a coffee shop to start building your credibility. If they don't trust the digital version of you, they're never going to schedule that first conversation to begin with. You have to earn the right to that introduction, and you do that by establishing absolute credibility from the very first click.
And that right there is exactly why LEAD72.pro was created. Now, this distinction is absolutely vital, so hear me out. They don't build websites. They create professional online pages. The goal isn't to hand you some bloated, complicated website with dozens of menus that end up confusing the heck out of your visitors. No way! The goal is laser-focused. It's to give you a sleek, professional online page designed with one singular objective, to help people trust you before they ever even send you a message. It's a highly targeted asset. It's engineered to grab a prospect's attention, tell your story clearly, and kick off that vital trust sequence immediately.
So why is it so incredibly important to get this right? Because leaders don't lead by words alone, they lead by example. And this brings everything right back to your core identity as an Apertum community leader. You tell your teams to be professional, right? You tell them to put their best foot forward and to take their growth seriously. But if your own digital presence is lagging behind, your words kind of lose their weight. By investing in a high-level professional personal brand, you are visually demonstrating the standard. You are showing your community without having to say a single word exactly what excellence looks like.
All right, so how is this all being rolled out? Well, there's a very specific exclusive launch offer just for the Apertum community. While the standard price for one of these pages is 499 euros, they really wanted to recognize the people actively building this community. So for Apertum community leaders, there is a special tier of just 199 euros. I mean, that is a massive saving, and it acts as a direct thank you for leading by example. Then, reserved for those who choose to be early supporters, the first 8 members, the price is 299 euros. That $299 tier is also available to everyone else, provided you confirm within 24 hours after the live Zoom presentation. You definitely have to act fast on that one, because once that window closes, it reverts strictly back to the standard €499. This whole launch structure is entirely about recognizing and rewarding the people who lead, who take action, and who truly get the value of building a professional brand.
The design process itself is incredibly structured and transparent, meaning there are absolutely zero surprises for you. Every single project includes one completely free revision round. So that covers your text, your images, and any small design tweaks you want to make to get it looking exactly right for your personal brand. Now, if you ever need to go beyond that, like say you want additional revisions, major structural changes, or maybe you want to build out a multilingual version of your page, that's completely fine. Those extras will always be clearly quoted to you well in advance, so you are always in the driver's seat of your project.
Getting started honestly just requires two incredibly simple obligation-free steps. Step 1. Fulfill the brand blueprint using the link provided. This blueprint is totally key. It's what gives the team the raw materials of your story and your specific goals. Step 2. Just send a private message. Once you've filled out that blueprint, reach out. The team would be more than happy to show you some real, live examples of what your page could actually look like, and they'll walk you through the whole shebang. There's absolutely no pressure here. It's just an open invitation to see the potential of your own story completely elevated online.
I want to wrap up our explainer today by leaving you with this really powerful final thought. Technology keeps evolving, but trust never goes out of style. Platforms are going to change, algorithms will update, and the ways we communicate will always be shifting. But that fundamental, core human need to trust the person on the other side of the screen, that is permanent. So my question to you is this. Are you going to allow your online presence to be a barrier that holds you back? Or will you take action today, step fully into your role as a leader, and ensure that your digital footprint commands the exact respect your real-world hard work deserves? The choice is yours. Thank you so much for joining me, and I highly encourage you to go take a look at that brand blueprint today.